Hello, Libra. Welcome back to the Phoenix Den. I've cleansed this space and prayed over your card, so let's get into it. Alright, Libra, we're going to start your reading off with the Astral Oracle cards. Let's see what those energies are playing out for today. Alright, Holy Spirit, Libra. What are those energies for today for Libra, please? What are those energies for Libra? Dignified. Number 13. Strength here, Libra. #51. Conjunction alliance here, Libra. That's like my helpful people card. Happy birthday to all my Libras out there. Looks like you are favored at this time. Of course, it's your birthday season. You may be teaming up and having some help and assistance here at this time, Libra. Let's go ahead and get that energy, the overall message for Libra. What is that overall message for Libra, Holy Spirit? Clear, true, accurate messages of love and light only for Libra. What's that overall message for Libra, Holy Spirit? What is the overall message for Libra for today? Extremes. Number 34 here, Libra. With Wheel, number 13 at the bottom of the deck for you. Whew. Careful on them scales, Libra. I think you had a reading with that title before. Let's see what we got in your spread today, Libra. Hot and heavy. Someone sparked your flame, Libra. What have you willed into existence? It looked like you might have called in a soulmate, maybe. You might have called in this assistance. Help is on the way. Birds of a feather flock together. Let's see what we got for Libra, Holy Spirit. What's that overall message for Libra? That's good for Libra. 2 more shuffles. Cutting that deck for you, Libra. First card out for you, Libra, 2 of Wands. Crossed by the 3 of Cups. Crowned with the 4 of Cups. Challenged by the Chariot. Past position, the Knight of Swords. Future position, the 8 of Wands. Hope and fears, strength. Current environment, 5 of Cups. Current mind space, 9 of Pentacles. And current outcome, Libra, is the 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck for you, Libra, the Fool. Going on a bit of a journey here. Okay. But it looks like you'll have assistance on this journey. It might not be for long though, Libra. You could have your money on your brain here with that 9 of Pentacles. Or just your overall self-sustainability. Let's clarify this reading for you, Libra. Clarify for Libra, Holy Spirit. that deck. Libra. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, 2 of Wands crossed by 3 of Cups for Libra. 2 of Wands crossed by the 3 of Cups, please, for Libra. Clarify. Thank you. Ace of Cups reversed. Bottom of the deck, 4 of Wands. Libra, you said no. Might have been an offer here, a chance to reconcile with someone, Libra, but either you or them said no. Nope. You wanted this to be successful. You might have been following your intuition to do so. You might have wanted a emotional fulfillment with this person, but this person might have decided to walk away here, and they look like they standing on it with the Strength and the 7 of Wands. And the World card, they have completed that cycle. Clarify that 4 of Cups for Libra. Clarify the 4 of Cups crowning Libra. 4 of Cups crowning Libra, please. Okay. 7 of Cups here with Judgment and the 2 of Wands, Libra. A decision has been made here, or a decision needs to be made here. Between some choice here, choices, options here, Libra. Bottom of the deck, 9 of Swords. The challenge is the Chariot. It might be hard for you to move on from a situation or vice versa, Libra. The Chariot is here. The Chariot is like my Ascension card, Libra. Gotta move on. Move forward. Take the lessons that's learned here to be victorious in a future position. What is that? 4 of Wands here wants to show itself. Clarify that Chariot for Libra, please. Clarify the Chariot here for Libra. Why is the Chariot here for Libra, please? In their challenge position. Clarify the Chariot. Six of Swords with the King of Pentacles. So you could be done dealing with a relationship situation, Libra, and moving towards, like I said, your finances here with that 9 of Pentacles in your mind space. More concerned here about your finances here, your stability. 8 of Swords at the bottom of the deck, could be worrying about it. Okay. Clarify that 9 of Swords in Libra's past position, please, Holy Spirit. What is that Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords for Libra. There might have been incoming communication here, Libra, from an air sign, or this could be you since that's your energy. Oh, that's a lot of cards. There's a lot of cards. I'm gonna just look at it and we'll put it back and try again. But Queen of Swords here with the King of Wands, with the 9 of Cups, Knight of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Definitely communication here. Something that was wishful, a person could be have came back here. They want a new beginning, or you want a new beginning with someone. Just talking about that communication. They're telling me to keep it because that's what it's about. Page of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Could have been with another air sign, or could have been with a fire sign here. Water sign. Clarify the 8 of Wands here for Libra. Eight of Wands for Libra. Clarify the 8 of Wands for Libra. Thank you. 3 of Swords. Sideways. I heard shoot the shot, but if you shoot your shot, Libra, it might not turn out the way you expected with the 3 of Swords here. Some kind of heartbreak here. 6 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Something just got heavy. Let's move on to strength here, Libra, in your hope and fears position. Knight of Swords again. Careful with your words here. Careful with your words. Tame your words here, because it might push somebody to move forward. Or you might be quick-witted. I heard quick-witted. But either you holding back your words here, or you need to. You could be hoping for somebody to be nice, to speak kindly towards you, but yeah, I see someone here, Libra, they really want a partnership here with someone. Makes them happy. They want emotional fulfillment here, but they done tried it over and over again. They might have not made much progress here, but something here has ended. Clarify that 5 of Cups. Five of Cups for Libra. And I wanted to say Leo, and there we go, the Sun card. This Sun card is purifying this 5 of Cups. This heartbreak situation could be old or stemming from something old, Libra. Also, get more sun. Get out there. Get outside. Get more sun. Temperance here at the bottom of the deck. Clarify the 9 of Pentacles for Libra, please. Three of Pentacles. Libra, you might need to collaborate with someone here to get to a place of stability that you're trying to get to here. Magician here at the bottom of the deck. You can manifest these people, or you already have. But be very careful of your words here. It could be arguments, disagreements here. Some type of choice here, Libra, that I'm seeing with the awful. That's bringing anxiety here. This could be issues with money here, and that might be what's bringing in the arguments. Clarify 5 of Pentacles for Libra's outcome position. We need, oh Jesus, no, Libra. What? Libra, that was like half the deck. Hold on. 5 of Pentacles, Spirit. What's okay? 6 of Wands. Okay. You'll be victorious in this. Okay, it's gonna get better, Libra. Queen of Pentacles here at the bottom of the deck for you. Something look like it's flipping and want to show itself. Right, the Chariot. There's gonna be an increase of funds here, Libra. Got the Chariot here in your challenge position here. Moving on to smoother waters in your foundations here. With the King of Pentacles, there's definitely going to be an increase in finances. Libra, I'm being called to animal spirit. So give me a second. Whew. Let's just see what animal spirits is helping you at this time. Okay. Get outside, Libra. There could be messages with animals here for you. What's that animal totem, animal spirit for Libra, please? It's probably why I got that message for you to go outside. There's messages within animal kingdom for you. Penguin. Connection and community. You are surrounded by the right people. Right. So that's that alliance I was talking about. Crab. Protection and mystery. Set boundaries and protect yourself from negative energies. And at the bottom of the deck, you have Shark. Superiority and authority. Take charge of your life. Libra. Okay, Libra. These are the messages that I have for you for today. As always, thank you so very much for being here. And until next time, Libra.